Yes, guys, welcome back. Welcome to Shaggy Cooking Lifestyle. So today we are going to do some steamed fish in coconut milk. Steamed fish in coconut milk. Yeah. Steamed sinapa in coconut milk. And we're going to make some pumpkin dumpling and potato. So guys, I'm gonna jump right into it because I already have all my seasoning cut, already pre-cut right here. So I'm gonna just jump right into it and season my fish, and then I'm gonna just go right into it. Okay? So yes guys, so there are my fish right here. I'm gonna go ahead and season my fish. So I have some right here. I have some Maggi all-purpose and some black pepper. And here I have my Maggi fish seasoning. So I'm gonna mix all three of them together. I'm mixing all three of them together, guys. And I'm gonna use this to season my fish. Here I have 2 snapper, and I have a piece of barracuda. So I'm gonna mix both of them together. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and season my fish. So guys, now my fish is seasoned already, real quick and fast. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. I'm gonna just start to put all my other stuff together. Over here I have my okra, I have my carrot, I have my bell pepper, I have yellow and red bell pepper, I have my scotch bonnet pepper here, I have my garlic. Over here, I have my onion, I have my scallion, and I have my squash. I'm gonna put squash. Okay, guys? And here, I have my coconut milk, what I'm gonna be using. I'm not making any coconut today. I'm not grating any coconut. Here, I have my pumpkin, what I'm gonna use to make my pumpkin dumpling. And that's gonna, yes guys, so first thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to be pouring my coconut milk. That's the very first thing I'm going to do, pour my coconut milk. I'm using half of the coconut milk because I need half for my dumpling. So that's half of my coconut milk. And I'm gonna add water. So guys, I'm adding some water. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to crush my garlic. You know, I'm a fan of garlic because garlic is the best seasoning you can ever have. You can just use pure garlic and just a little bit of seasoning, a little bit. So I'm crushing my garlic. I crush a lot of garlic whenever I'm cooking. You don't have to if you don't like garlic. If you don't like garlic, you know it's not good for you. If it's against you, that's fine. But you need to use a lot of garlic. Okay, guys? And I'm gonna mix this up a little bit. I'm gonna make this go for a little boil. I'm gonna make this go for a little boil, like about 2 minutes. As long as it starts to boil, I give it 1 minute. This stove is very fast, so as long as it go for a minute worth of boil, then I'm going to just add. I'm just gonna add a little of my remaining seasoning to it, just a little bit, not a lot. I want my seasoning to boil with the coconut milk. Okay, guys. You see how creamy my coconut milk is? It is already boiling, guys. This stove is very fast, so I have to be very careful with it, okay? I have to cut it down fast. But guys, I let it go for a boil for a minute before I start to add my stuff. First thing I'm going to be adding, guys, I'm going to be adding some pimento. I'm going to add some pimento seed. After adding my pimento, then I'm going to go ahead and add my carrot. I'm adding my carrot. After adding my carrot, I'm going to be adding my squash, because I like when my squash well soft and boiled into the coconut milk. I'm adding my squash. After adding my squash, guys, here's my onion. I'm adding my onion. I like make my onion in rings. I don't know if you like it like that, but I like my onion in rings. I use a lot of onion. I use one onion. You don't have to use a lot, but I like a lot of organic seasoning, so I use a lot of onion. If you notice, I use a lot of everything. You don't have to do it like me. You can cut it in half. Depends on how you want your food to be taste. Cause these vegetables here, they are not like the organic one in Jamaica, where you can use a small portion and it give your food a wonderful flavor. You have to use like 2 times the amount. So if you're using half an onion in Jamaica, you have to use 1 here. So normally for this amount, I would use half an onion in Jamaica, or 1, and they are not big like this. So I still use 1, but it's way bigger than the one in Jamaica. Okay, guys? Here's my bell pepper. Here goes my bell pepper, guys. I put my bell pepper in. Here comes my scotch bonnet pepper, guys. Here come my scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm adding all my ingredients. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put this to boil. I'm gonna put this to boil for 2 minutes. I'm gonna put this to boil for 2 minutes. I'm just gonna cover it down and let it sit for 2 minutes. I'm gonna just add the remaining of my seasoning to this. My seasoning is about, all I have, a total of 2 teaspoons. That's a tablespoon. So that's what I got for my fish, and I use some to season it, and then I use the rest to boil my vegetable a little bit. Because after boiling my vegetable a little bit, then I'm gonna add the rest of my, I'm gonna add my fish, and then I'm gonna add my okra and my carrot and my scallion and also my thyme. So I leave those for last because I want that to be right and enter the pot with the fish. Okay, guys? Right away, I'm gonna go in to start to make my pumpkin dumpling. I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna leave this to boil for 5 minutes before I put my fish in. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start prepare my pumpkin for my pumpkin dumpling. Okay, guys? So yes, guys, so here's my pumpkin. I already peeled my pumpkin. So I'm gonna grate my pumpkin for my dumpling. So I'm grating my pumpkin right now for my dumpling. So guys, this is my pumpkin. I grated my pumpkin, guys. That's my pumpkin. So this is my pumpkin. Guys, I'm saving a little of my pumpkin for my fish, guys. Just a little of my pumpkin for my fish. So now I'm just gonna add like about 1 pound of flour. About 1 pound of flour to my pumpkin. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. Just a pinch of salt to my flour. Just a pinch of salt. And then I just mix this. Make sure the salt go all everywhere and the pumpkin is mixed thoroughly with the flour. And now I'm going to use my coconut milk to make my flour, make my dough. So guys, this is the dough. This is the dough for my dumpling. So guys, now my squash is pre-cooked. Everything here is pre-cooked. So now I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients. Firstly, I'm gonna add my pumpkin, what I saved. I'm gonna add my pumpkin. I'm adding my pumpkin. Okay, guys, my grated pumpkin, I'm adding it to the fish. Okay, guys. So everything here is mixed up well, ready for my fish. So I'm gonna add my fish right now. I'm adding my fish. You know, fish only take like 10 minutes maximum to cook. Okay, guys? So I have to make everything pre-cooked before my fish. Okay, guys? And now I'm gonna add my okra. My okra only take 3 minutes. I'm adding my thyme. And I'm adding my scallion. I cut up my scallion, I don't crush it. I cut my scallion up. And then I'm gonna add the rest of the pumpkin. Just adding all my pumpkin. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna leave this on a low flame. I'm leaving this on a low flame for 10 minutes. By that 10 minutes, my fish will cook. But you have to leave it on a low flame. Right, guys? So I'm leaving it on. I'm leaving it on a low flame, guys. So guys, yes, I'm going to just add just a little bit of salt to my water. Just a little salt to my water. That's where I'm going to cook my dumpling. So my guys, my people, now my water is boiling. I'm going to roll and press my dumpling and put them right into the water right now, okay? So these are my dumpling. My dumpling is made from flour, pumpkin, and coconut milk. Okay, guys? And a pinch of salt. Okay, guys? Just a pinch of salt. So this is my dumpling. My pumpkin dumpling. Okay, guys. Guys, you can also blend the pumpkin. Don't blend it too fine. You can just blend it. As long as it's raw pumpkin, you can blend it. So if you don't have a grater, you can use blender. Hard to cook. So guess what? I already have a couple slices of pumpkin. I'm going to add it because I like my pumpkin. And I have a couple potato here. I'm going to just split them in half and put it in there too. That is it, my people. I'm gonna sit back, relax. My fish is already done. I'm gonna just wait on this to boil. It's gonna take like 20 minutes. So yes, my people, so now I'm gonna be eating my pumpkin dumpling and my steamed fish with okra and pumpkin and potato. Let me dive into the fish, because I know you're waiting for me to go into the fish. Mmm. Guys, when you touch a fish, you have to go back. The only thing, guys, you have to be careful of the bones. But this steamed fish is very good. Let us go right into the dumpling. This is the pumpkin dumpling, guys. Guys, everything is really good. Guys, this is really, really good. I implore you to try this recipe. Like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend about my pumpkin dumpling and steamed fish. Catch you on the next one.